Hello, little friends. Today we are going to learn about vehicle names and their sounds, colors, and functions. Are you ready? Let's go on a fun adventure. This is car. This is red car. Car helps people travel from one place to another place. The car says beep, beep. This is a bus. Bus. Say with me, bus. The bus is yellow in color. Buses carry many people together. The bus says honk, honk, honk. Train. This is a train. The train is blue in color. Trains travel on a railway track. The train says choo, choo. It's a train. Can you repeat it? Train, train. This is airplane. Airplane. Airplane is white in color. Airplanes fly high in the sky. The airplane says whoosh, whoosh. Can you say it loud? Airplane, airplane. This is bicycle. Bicycle. The bicycle is green in color. Bicycles are good for exercise and fun rides. The bicycle says ring, ring. Can you say with me? Bicycle, bicycle. It's a tractor. Tractor. Tractor is red. Tractor helps farmer on farm. The tractor says vroom, vroom. Can you say it loud? Tractor, tractor. This is ambulance. The ambulance is white and red. Sometimes it is blue in color. It helps sick people quickly. It is also used in emergency. The ambulance say wee-oo, 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 wee-oo. Can you say it loud? Ambulance, ambulance. This is a fire truck. Fire truck. The fire truck is red in color. It helps firefighters to protect from fire. The fire truck says Nino, Nino, Nino. Can you say with me? Fire truck, fire truck. This is a ship. Ship. The ship is white and blue in color. Ship travels on water. The ship says hook, hook. Ship fights with the waves and layers of oceans, and it moves toward the beach side. Helicopter. This is a helicopter. Helicopter is orange in color. Helicopter fly and helps in rescue missions. The helicopter says chup 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 chup. Can you say it loud? Helicopter. Helicopter. This is a helicopter. This is a truck. Truck. The truck is brown in color. Trucks carry heavy things. The truck says brum, brum. Can you say with me? Truck, truck. This is a motorcycle. Motorcycle. The motorcycle is black. It moves very fast. It says zoom, zoom. Can you say it? Motorcycle. Motorcycle. It have two wheels. This is a crane. Crane. Crane is yellow in color. Crane lift heavy things in construction site. The crane says whir, whir. Can you say with me? Crane, crane, crane. This is a bulldozer. Bulldozer. The bulldozer is yellow in color. It pushes dirt and rocks. Bulldozer says grr, grr. Can you say with me? Bulldozer. Bulldozer. This is a van. Van. A van is white in color. Van carry peoples and goods. The van says beep, beep. This is a garbage truck. Garbage truck. The garbage truck is green in color. It collects trash and keeps cities clean. The garbage truck says crunch, crunch. Can you say with me? Garbage truck, garbage truck. This is a police car. Police car is black and white. Police car helps keep people safe. The police car say woo woo. Can you say with me? Police car, police car. This is a cement mixer. Cement mixer. It makes cement for buildings and roads. The cement mixer says rumble, rumble. Can you say with me? Cement mixer, cement mixer. This is a sailboat. Sailboat. It is white in color. Sailboats move with wind on water. The sailboat says splash, splash. This is a scooter. Scooter. Scooter is black in color. Scooters are small and fun to ride. The scooter says zoom, zoom. Can you say with me? Scooter, scooter. This is a skateboard. Skateboard. It is colorful. Skateboards are used for fun and tricks. The skateboard says roll, roll. Can you say with me? Skateboard, skateboard. This is a sports car. Sports car. It is red in color. The sports car moves very fast. Sports car says room, room. Can you say with me? Sports car, sports car. This is a tricycle. Tricycle. It has 3 wheels. It is blue in color. Tricycles are fun for little children. The tricycle says ring, ring. Can you say with me? Tricycle, tricycle. Little friends, let's have a quick recap. Car, bus, train, airplane, bicycle, tractor, ambulance, fire truck, ship, helicopter, truck, motorcycle, crane, bulldozer, garbage truck, police car, cement mixer, sailboat, scooter, skateboard, sports car, tricycle. Great job, little learners! Subscribe for more fun and learnings.